Right here, Croatia. Today, 11 out of 10. Okay, Comoros. 4 out of 10. Republic of Congo. I'm not sure how to feel about that. I think the scariest part was the literal children crying. 7 out of 10. Okay, Cook Island. 2 out of 10. It's nothing scary. Costa Rica. Average. 5 out of 10. Ivory Coast. Why was that low-key kind of good? Look at this. Look at my hair standing up. I think we got an 8 out of 10 right here. Croatia. Imagine being lost at sea and you just hear this in the ocean and you're just like, what is that? Clearly a 7 out of 10. We've done about 100 alarms. These are seriously, they're destroying my brain. I feel like my head is about to collapse. But we're doing Cuba next. Wow. Who's scared of that? 0 out of 10. Toracchio. That sounds like repeatedly crashing your car over and over again. 9 out of 10. Cyprus. I literally hear that sound in my nightmares. Why? 10 out of 10. The Republic of Czech. It's like someone trying to make an alarm and failing miserably. Negative 100 out of 10. Congo! That voice though. Was he like telling me to die or something? Because that's what I want to do after hearing that alarm. 9 out of 10. I forgot to rate Italy, so I'm doing that now. 7 out of 10. I'm not even gonna try and pronounce this name. Just put it up on screen. Djibouti. No one told me there was gonna be a laser party. 0 out of 10. Dominica. What's that sound in the background there? It was like a tapping. 0 out of 10. I'm not scared of it. Are you scared of it? Dominican Republic. That's loud. 7 out of 10. It's loud. Sounds like an anime girl going wah wah, doesn't it? 1 out of 10. Egypt. I did not sign up for loud noises. Well, I guess technically I did. This was a bad video to make for sure. 7.9 out of 10. Next we're rating El Salvador.
Interrumpimos la programación habitual debido a una...
It's like the Spanish version of the American EAS alarm. 6 out of 10. Equatorial Guinea. That is the most unique sound I've ever heard in my life. 6 out of 10. Very bizarre. Eritrea. Four out of 10. It's not scary, it's just weirding me out. We're nearly there. We've nearly got to the end. We're gonna get to the end and find out which country wins the award for scariest alarm. Estonia. I found the Siren Head origin. Let's go. 100 out of 10. Ethiopia. Sounds like someone is holding down the space bar in Roblox and the game is glitching out. That, I don't know about you, but that's scary. 7 out of 10. Okay, Faroe Islands. Why do did every alarm suddenly get so scary? That's a 10 out of 10. The Falklands. Okay, scary, I can't handle this. 9 out of 10. Fiji.
Warning. This broadcast has been issued to you by the request of the Fijian government. A tsunami is bound to impact the entire nation. Please get to high ground and take shelter immediately.
If you were stuck on Fiji and a tsunami hit, what would you do to survive? How can you make it out of that? I guess you could climb a tree? 5 out of 10. Finland.
Se oli siis kansallinen radio.
I rated this one last time. Put the clip up. 0 out of 10. It's kind of relaxing, to be honest. I have to agree with young Normie here. Who plays instruments when you're dying? You should be screaming. You should be running around in the streets right now. 0 out of 10.
Now what? You say it when getting older starts.
France! It sounds literally like Morse code. That's not scary. 2 out of 10. Okay, French Guinea. 0 out of 10. French Polynesia. Why does France have so many islands and all of their EAS alarms suck? They're garbage. Literal trash. 0 out of 10. Gabon. You cannot tell me that doesn't sound like Pac-Man. That sounds like Pac-Man. 1 out of 10. Gambia. Six out of 10. Georgia. That is a 3 out of 10 at best. Shh, go to sleep, Georgia. You're gonna be okay. Germany. Guys, if you have not heard the Germany alarm yet, get ready for the most life-changing music you'll ever hear. It's not scary, but when they die vibing. 10 out of 10. Ghana. Eight out of 10. Gibraltar. No. 0 out of 10. Greece. The Greek gods came down from Olympus and blessed this country with a terrifying EAS alarm. It does not matter if there's an earthquake or a fire or a missile. If you hear this sound, you're already dead. 8 out of 10. Greenland. The voice is speaking in Greenish, and I don't speak Greenish. 2 out of 10. Grenada. That one's scary. It's aggressive. It's like beating into my heart. 10 out of 10. Guadalupe. I can't even say this country's name. It's whatever. It's whatever. 2 out of 10. Wham! That literally sounds like someone dying. 7 out of 10. Guatemala.
Alerta nacional de emergencia. Alerta nacional de emergencia.
9 out of 10. I don't like loud things. Guinea. I can't get scared by this. 5 out of 10. Guinea-Bissau. 5 out of 10. Again, Guyana. Oh, I bit my tongue. Ah! You did this to me, Guyana. I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10 because it's the only alarm to cause physical damage to me. Haiti. Oh, seems a little aggressive. Why you gotta be so aggressive like that? 6 out of 10. Honduras. Now. 0 out of 10. Hong Kong isn't a country, but they have their own alarm. That That sound is gonna knock the roof of my house off. 10 out of 10. That's the amount of power that this alarm has. Hungary. 2 out of 10. Next is the land of ice. Iceland, where everything is made out of ice, apparently. That's a goofy alarm. I'm gonna give it a Quandale Dingle out of 10. Very goofy. India. I'm sorry to all my Indian homies, but it's just not that scary. 5 out of 10. There are so many alarms and I'm not gonna be finished today if I don't hurry up, so I'm just gonna rate them as quickly as possible. Let's just get through it. Indonesia. Indonesia, 4 out of 10. Ireland. 4 out of 10. Isle of Man. 9 out of 10. Jamaica. 10 out of 10. What the heck even is that? What is it? Jordan. It sounds like a giant demon screaming at the top of his lungs. 8 out of 10. Kazakhstan. That's the most basic alarm I've ever heard. 1 out of 10. Kenya. Pathetic. 0 out of 10. Hey, Kiribati. 3 out of 10. Kosovo. This literally sounds like a nuclear reactor shutting down. 7.9 out of 10. Kurdistan. It's just an ambulance. 0 out of 10. Kuwait. Loud noises scare me. I can't handle loud noises. 10 out of 10. Kyrgyzstan. That's lame. That's not scary. 0. Lao. That is the literal sound of the earth exploding. 10 out of 10. Latvia. I don't know how to feel about that one. 5 out of 10. Lebanon. So scary, it made me throw my shoe. That's how scared I am. 7 out of 10. Lesotho. That is the sound of a giant monster. 9 out of 10. Liberia. 1 out of 10. That is a complete disgrace. A waste of sound. Libya. Can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this. 7 out of 10. Liechtenstein. 2 out of 10. I hope that you're embarrassed to exist. You're a failure. You're not scary at all. Lithuania. 6 out of 10. Luxembourg. There is no audio. 10 out of 10 for the jump scare. Now for the Madagascar alarm. Madagascar? Madagascar? You let us down, Madagascar. I hope you're proud of yourself. 3 out of 10. Malawi. That is literally the sound of hell. 7 out of 10. 7. Woo! Yeah! The Maldives. Nah, no! Bad Maldives. Bad. 2 out of 10. Mali. What even is that? 0. 0 out of 10. Malta. That's a little different. 6 out of 10. Marshall Islands. That's weak. 0 out of 10. Mauritania. 8 out of 10. Mauritius. Weak. 2 out of 10. Mayotte. Weirdly really creepy. Like, way creepier than it has any right being. 7 out of 10. Moldova. Is that, what even is that? What? 3 out of 10. Monaco. That's a 6 out of 10. Mongolia. Five. Montenegro. That sound makes me mildly uncomfortable. Congrats. 6 out of 10. Montserrat. This sound is breaking my brain. 7 out of 10. Maracos! This sounds like a police siren. I guess this would be scary if I was in a getaway car and the police are chasing me and I've just stolen 100 million Robux. 4 out of 10. Mozambique. Myanmar! To be honest, it sounds like random audio. 5 out of 10. Nambia. 0. Nepal. The cops are outside. Whoa! 9 out of 10. Yo! The Netherlands. 4 out of 10. Nicaragua. Okay, that was making me sweat, bro. I swear, I've never heard a sound like that in my entire life. 10 out of 10. Niger. It sounds like an incoming missile. How are you not supposed to be scared of that? 10 out of 10. Nigeria. 3 out of 10. North Macedonia. That guy's voice is creeping me out a little. What's he saying, huh? Is he calling in a missile strike on me? 9 out of 10. North Korea. This is the big guy. Kind of disappointing considering the lengths I went to get this audio. I had to crawl under Kim Jong-un's desk. I snuck into North Korea to get this. 5 out of 10. Norway review. Lame. 0 out of 10. Paraguay. 5 out of 10. Oman. That's the name of the country. Oman. 2 out of 10. Pakistan. 6 out of 10. Palau. Hey, boy, chill. They did not hold back. 9 out of 10. Panama. You can probably agree with me, that's not the scariest, like 1 out of 10 maybe. Papua New Guinea! Sounds like an ice cream truck. 0. Peru? That's a 10 out of 10. Poland! This is a different alarm to the one I heard last time. 7 out of 10. It's just casually creepy. Portugal. Wait, that was actually creepy. 7 out of 10. Qatar. Out of 10. Romania. 4 out of 10. Rwanda. Not scary. Rejected. St. Kitts and Nevis. Just sounds like an elevator. 4. St. Lucia. Whoa. 9 out of 10. South Sudan. 0 out of 10. St. Vincent. I can't keep doing this. honest. Look, if I heard that at night, I would freak out. Is that what you wanted to hear? 7 out of 10. Samoa. 8 out of 10. San Marino. I swear to God, no one has ever heard of this country, but their alarm is still a banger. 6.5 out of 10. Senegal. Was that real? What did I just listen to? That's gotta be fake. 100 out of 10. Serbia.
Van ritmo.
0 out of 10. Sierra Leone. Cringe. That's the cringiest alarm I've ever heard. Negative 1 out of 10. Slovakia. Boring. 0. Slovenia. 2.5 out of 10. Solomon Islands. It sounds like a robot trying to imitate what an EAS alarm would sound like. 4 out of 10. South Africa. Zero out of 10. Spain. This is another one of those ones that just sounds like Morse code. Morse code isn't creepy. 0. Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka gets a beep 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 out of 10. Sudan. 2 out of 10. Suriname. 5.5 out of 10. Switzerland. There we go. That's a good scary one. That is scary. 8.9999 out of 10. Timor-Leste. 4 out of 10. I'm being generous. Syria. I have no idea why everything blew up at the end. I can't explain it. 4 out of 10. Tanzania? That should be like a villain's entrance music theme. You just walk in the house and that starts playing. 4 out of 10. Thailand. 7 out of 10. Togo. Beep, 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 beep. 4 out of 10. Tonga. Stop with the beeping. It's not creepy. 0 out of 10. Trinidad. Again with the beeping. What is with the beeping? Come on. That's not even remotely scary. 0. Tunisia. That's kind of creepy, yeah. It's kind of creepy. 8 out of 10. Turkey. Tunisia. That's kind of creepy, yeah. It's kind of creepy. 8 out of 10. Turkey. Honestly, this sounds the exact same as the previous one, so I'm gonna give it the exact same rating. Turkmenistan. 3 out of 10. Tuvalu. I don't even know where these countries are at this point, but that's lame. 2 out of 10. I'm disappointed in you. Uganda. Somebody just decided to explode the microphone. That's a good enough alarm for me. 7 out of 10. United Arab Emirates. It makes me punch the wall in anger because of how not scary it is. 0 out of 10. Some of these are just so lame, man. The United Kingdom. It's just a little scary, so 5 out of 10. Uruguay. What? No, Uruguay. 7.1921 out of 10. Uzbekistan. Sounds like a Pokemon soundtrack. Not scary. 3.5 out of 10. Vanuatu. Yeah, I'm scary. This alarm isn't scary. 4 out of 10. Vatican. This is where all the Catholics hang out, bro. The Pope knows how to party. It's not scary, but it is a vibe. 8 out of 10. Venezuela. Venezuela. 4 out of 10. Vietnam. It's the screams of 100,000 people. Terrifying. 10 out of 10. Yemen? 2 out of 10. Zambia? That sounds like screaming. 4 out of 10. Next we're going to Chile. This footage was recorded at night, which is the scariest time to hear an EAS alarm. I don't care how old you are or how tough you think you are. If you hear this at night, you are going to piss your pants. 11 out of 10. Zimbabwe. That's actually also creepy. 8 out of 10. Netherlands. This sound will single-handedly scare away the hurricane. 10 out of 10. Okay, Argentina. They broadcast this one on the TV as well. 11 out of 10. Zimbabwe. That's actually also creepy. 8. This sound will single-handedly scare away the hurricane. 10 out of 10. Okay, Argentina. They broadcast this one on the TV as well.
Continuaremos en servirle en el norte del Valle de Sacramento. Si usted no está en esta área, contacte su estación local para proveerse de noticias.
It kind of looks like one of those cursed broadcasts that you have 7 days to live after you watch. Run, 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 run. 9 out of 10. Bulgaria. Nine out of 10. Lithuania.
Priešgaisrinės apsaugos ir gelbėjimo departamentas prie vidaus reikalų ministerijos informuoja.
Nah, man, I can't deal with this. I can't do this. Why is it so creepy? Hey, I forgot to rate that at the time, but that is definitely a 10 out of 10, so I'm rating it now. 10 out of 10. Denmark! Denmark! Put it up. Denmark! Okay, let's just listen to it. That is scary. 9 out of 10. Now the country you've all been waiting for. The USA. This is the alarm that they send out to your phone. Honestly, I think it's even less scary than when I first heard it. Like a 5 out of 10 at best. This next alarm is from Michigan. They have their own alarm for some reason.
From the Michigan Executive Office of Governor, non-essential travel is prohibited.
Michigan was slightly scarier just because of the voice. He's creepy. 7 out of 10. That was the last alarm. So now, which country has the scariest EAS alarm? Australia wins. This is nothing to do with the fact